Today we are fixing up a lemon delight crescent roll, and y'all, you're just gonna love this recipe. Hi, if you're new here, I'm Melissa Diane. So now we're just gonna jump on into the ingredients that we're gonna be using for this recipe. For your ingredients, you're gonna need some cream cheese. So I've gone ahead and already have some cream cheese in here, and I'll put all of the measurements in the description section for you below the video. You're gonna need your crescent rolls, you got your cream cheese, you're gonna have a little bit of lemon juice. You want a lemon, we're gonna use a little bit of some lemon zest. Then we're gonna have some sliced almonds, and then a little bit of powdered sugar, and then a little bit of just regular sugar. So what I'm gonna do now is I am just going to take my cream cheese, and I've already been kind of pressing that, and then we're just gonna take a little bit of lemon juice, because we don't want it watery. We want to give it some flavor. Just a little bit of lemon juice. Mix and mix. And y'all, this recipe, this is just going to be so nice. I was looking for something just a little bit different. We're going to put a little bit of some lemon zest in here. Ah, it's going to be so pretty too when you bite into this. Okay, there we go. Just a little. We've got that. Let me stick this over here. I'm going to bring my tray closer to me. And then, let's just mix that. We're gonna put just a little bit of sugar, just a teeny bit of sugar in there, okay? And then we're gonna put some sliced almonds in here. And then we're gonna use a few of those sliced almonds, y'all. Also, let you see what I'm doing. I'm just mashing this up. We're going to put a few of these sliced almonds also on top when we get done to garnish it and kind of to make it look really pretty. And the ones that I'm going to put on the inside here are going to be the smaller ones. Okay, just a few little sliced almonds. And then, as soon as we get this mixed up, and you could do this ahead of time if you wanted. You could get this mixture all done ahead of time and have it all ready to go. All right, so there we go. And now we're going to get our crescent rolls out. So here we go. And this powdered sugar, we're going to use this in just a little bit when they come out of the oven. We're going to top it. It's going to look so good and it's going to taste so good. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead. I'm going to have to get my cheaters out. I'm sorry. I'm going to have to look here to see where the line is. There it is. For to pop this open, I don't know about y'all, but I hate opening these things. It used to be you'd pop it on the counter, and that doesn't seem to work anymore, so they have that little line on here that you take your spoon and you push, and I always hate it because you're like, when's it going to pop? And it didn't look like it's going. Hang on a second. We'll get it. I promise we will get this. Okay. We're going. All right, let's get the cheaters back out. What am I doing wrong? Okay, it says to start here. Pop. Okay. I'm supposed to peel it first. Okay, so great. Okay, there we go. So sorry about that. But yeah, and I might end up taking that out when I edit. I don't know. I may leave it in. Depends. If some of y'all have the same trouble that I do, then it might be good for y'all to see that we all do. Okay. All right. So here we go. And this one, some of these rolls, when y'all undo them, everything just comes out beautiful. Or you get a roll that comes out like this. Hang on, Melissa. Where it comes out and you think something has just eaten it. So anyway, unroll this and we're going to get our rolls. Okay, so what I did was I rolled those out, and I ended up, I'm just going to be doing 6 of these today because I'm also doing some other things. So I'm going to do 6 of them. I think I do want to do just a little bit more of the lemon zest because I tasted this. Y'all, this tastes so good. These are going to be delicious. So I'm going to put these in here. Okay. So I'll put just a little bit more of that. And then I think I may put a few more almonds in here, but I think I'm going to wait and do it as I spread this on these rolls before I roll them up. And the other thing I need to do real quick is to put the oven, and I think we put it on 375. So let me do that real quick. So now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to start spreading our mixture on our crescent rolls. I got this all mixed up, and y'all, it does just taste fantastic when I tasted a little bit of it. So we're just going to put this all on the inside. And I do hope that you will try this one and let me know what you think. This is just I think this is a good summertime one. With the lemon in it and everything. And last night I was thinking, you know what, I want to do a video on some new crescent rolls, because I thought, you know what, I don't eat bread just a whole lot, and I just love bread. And so I thought, you know, I want to make some crescent rolls tomorrow, but I want to do something different, not just that same old, same old. So I started thinking up some ideas, and then I decided, you know, there's this, what do you call, all this new AI stuff. And I use it a little bit for work. We use AI, but pretty much just asking it questions. And so I went in and I said, come up with a fun summertime crescent roll recipe. And this is what popped out. And also some others. Actually, I found 4. It spit out 4 little things. You know, it doesn't give you measurements and all that kind of stuff, so you just kind of have to get creative yourself. But I like the idea, so I took pretty much what it suggested, and then I added a few little twists to it myself. I thought the little almonds would be fun to put in there. But this is, we're just about done. And I think I would probably say if you're going to do a whole roll, like 8 of these, then you need about a half a block of cream cheese. Okay, let's get all this. And now we're going to roll these little guys up, and we're going to put them in the oven, and it's over there preheating. Okay. Oh, this one didn't get very much on it. Let me get a little more over here. Okay. There we go. You'll have to be sure and check out the other videos for the other different ones. We're going to have about 4 different kinds of crescent rolls actually tonight. And I think I'm going to take some over to my neighbors. Because there's no way we can eat, like, what was it? Anywhere from 18 to 20 crescent rolls. We could, but I don't think we should. That would kind of defeat the purpose of that diet that Jay and I were on a few months back. Okay, so we're going to roll these all up. Look at them. These are just the cutest ever. I just love these little things. Okay. And then we're going to put these on here. And then when they come out, you want to have your powdered sugar ready. This one's a big one. Oh my. Obviously, they're not going to be consistent in size, because when I took those out of the roll, remember, it was kind of had some issues. There we go. But they're going to taste fantastic. They're going to taste wonderful. I just know it. Okay. So we're going to do 6 of these little guys. I'm going to put them kind of like this. They just look pretty on here. And then we'll pop them in the oven. Okay, so I've got our lemon crescents ready to go into the oven. And here we go. We're going to plop these little guys in here. I have this oven on 375, and we're going to put them in right now. I like to check mine often, so we're going to put them on for about 7 minutes, and then we're going to check them. Okay, let's take a quick look. These have been going about 7.5 minutes, and there's a little bit of a glare there. It's hard for you to see, but they need to go a little bit longer. Okay, I pulled them out now to get a better look, and I think they need to go about another 2 minutes. We want them to be golden brown, but they need to be done, but just not overdone. I took them out of the oven, and look, y'all. Let me move my hot pad over here. Look, these turned out so nice. They're nice and golden brown, And now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and put, now remember, these are our Lemon Delight Crescents. And so I'm gonna take just a little bit of, trying to figure out the best way to do this. I wanna put a little bit of powdered sugar on them. So I think this is gonna be the best way to do it. Yes, and then we'll pick them up in a second and put them on a really pretty little serving tray. But I wanna do it while they're warm, because I think it'll just, everything will stick better. Yes, look at this. Oh my gosh, y'all. These are just gonna be so nice. These are gonna be so pretty. So here we go. Let's just put these all over them. Now we're going. I'm not being so timid. That's much better. I'm not being so timid. Okay. Let's go all over. Oh my goodness. These are just gonna be delicious. Okay, there we go. And then I was thinking that I would put a few of these little pieces of these little slivered almonds on there. I don't know if they'll stick. We can try. I just thought those might be nice. I don't think they're really gonna stick too well, but when we put them on, when we get them on the little serving tray, we can place some on there. Oh, those are gonna be nice. So pretty. We just got to get a little more generous and they'll stick. Okay, so let me get them over onto a pretty display tray. Oh, look at these. These have just turned out so good. Let me get a close-up shot there for you. Oh my gosh, they look wonderful. Okay, now, so I am going to reach in here and y'all look at these. They just turned out so nice. I'll bring you up close here in just a second. But I'm going to reach in here and I'm going to try one of these. I've been dying to try this. Our Lemon Delight Crescents. Here we go. Mmm. Mmm. Oh my. Okay. We did good. We did good. Jay's gonna love these. Mmm. Mmm. Okay. Wonderful. They turned out fantastic. I'm gonna sit this one back down. Oh my gosh, y'all. I'm gonna eat another bite. Hang on, hang on. Mmm. Mmm. These are good, very, very good. So here we go, let you see it closer. So here you go, take a quick look. Oh my gosh, you've got to be sure now, go and make these. Let me know what you think. Check out that next video that's popping up. I'll see you over there in a few minutes. Bye-bye.